In the world of high-end gardening, secrets are currency, and one billionaire gardener possessed a secret so extraordinary, it was worth whispering to his chef in the dead of night. The chef, renowned for crafting dishes that resembled precious jewels, was left with a mysterious, sealed barrel of compost after the billionaire vanished into thin air. The label read $1,000 compost with a promise that seemed almost too good to be true. It could make gold leaf lettuce grow in a mere 3 days. As the chef carefully opened the barrel, he expected to find ordinary peat moss or perhaps a high-end potting soil. But instead, he was met with a breathtaking sight, a glistening network of rare, bioluminescent mushrooms that seemed to glow from within. The soft, ethereal light emanating from the fungi was mesmerizing, and the chef couldn't help but wonder what made these mushrooms so special. Worth a small fortune on their own, these weren't just any ordinary mushrooms, they were truffle-grade mycelium, meticulously cultivated in a state-of-the-art, climate-controlled lab nestled in the Swiss Alps. The reason behind the hefty $1,000 price tag began to reveal itself as the chef delved deeper into the properties of these extraordinary fungi. The enzymes produced by these rare mushrooms had the ability to break down organic waste at a molecular level, releasing nitrogen, phosphorus, and potassium in perfect ratios. This created a hyperactive compost that could transform kitchen scraps into plant food at an unprecedented rate, far surpassing any commercial blend on the market. Intrigued, the chef decided to put this luxurious compost to the test. He planted a single seed of heirloom tomato in the mixture and then waited. Within 72 hours, the seed had sprouted, its leaves unfurling a vibrant green, like the first tender shoots of spring. By day 5, the fruit had grown plump and sweet, with a faint, metallic sheen that seemed almost otherworldly, exactly the look his discerning clientele demanded. As the chef marveled at the results, the billionaire's lesson became clear: investing in the right microbes wasn't just about creating a richer garden, it was about crafting a marketable miracle. The payoff was evident in the chef's own kitchen, where the rare mushrooms had transformed a simple seed into a culinary treasure. And as the chef's reputation continued to grow, so did the legend of the world's most expensive compost, a secret worth whispering about, and a testament to the magic that could happen when the right ingredients came together in perfect harmony.